Hello, thanks for clicking. Appreciate it. We're level 54. Got all my level 6 gear. A level 4 steel spear, pipe submachine gun, pipe machine gun, pump shotgun, other gear here. And I got here on my trusty mini bike. It looks like there is a wandering horde right over there. I don't know if they're coming over here. No, they're going the other way. Okay, so I got to do this job here at the P&B Machining, and I've never been here before. So this is pretty cool. This map that I'm on is, I don't know how to pronounce it, Fujimi Mountains. And I got rid of mountains, rivers, lakes, cracks, everything, all that stuff. And uh, so the map, and I maxed out the city size. So, like in this forest biome, the city takes up probably 80% of the map. We got irradiated. We get close. We get close. And these guys are tough. But anyway, so it's day 11, and I'm on tier 3 quests, but I'm still mostly questing in the forest biome because, like I said, this city is huge. There's so much to see. Um, it's just really awesome. So here we are. Brains. Oops, I guess I woke up too many people at one time. I'll keep it interesting. I haven't made a level 6 spear yet. I forgot to make it before I left. And the reason I have a level 4 is, whoa, it's raining Mama Cassis. Um, I got this level 4 out of a blue loot bag that dropped off a zombie yesterday. And I got the axe out of a red loot bag that dropped by a direwolf. I don't know what's going on with this map, or maybe it's a mod I put in because I put in a bunch of mods, but um, you know what, I need to check this door. But yeah, there's direwolves rocking around in the daytime, and I haven't seen any at night yet. Oh, I'm sorry, wait a minute. I did a horde night, and one showed up, but just one. And but that was it. Picking up the chairs because I don't need the paper. One less tree I gotta chop down. Man, I did. I had a bad infection. I got. I wasn't careful, and I got. I think I had it for about 7 days here, and I was chopping down trees, and I had lucked out, and I got the. Uh-oh. And I got that book that you can get honey from chopped down trees, and so I think I had to chop down about 30 trees to get a few honey. Luckily, Rect had a couple of herbals, and Jen had a couple, and then I had to cut down some more trees, and I finally got it taken care of. Is this? Oh, okay. After I clear this out, I'm going to come back and take that apart for the steel, the iron. 47 out of 100. Scrap that. I already got my workbench. Go there. It's over here. I've got 3 dew collectors now, but only 2 of them have the filter. And you know, Glock was playing. I was watching one of his videos yesterday, and the TV was making a noise when it had that on it, but mine doesn't do that. I don't know what's going on. I wonder if I'm supposed to go out here. Look at the bird taking a nap. It's a chachalaka. Oh. I guess the bird's friend is not happy with me. No, dude. The way I've been going... Where you at, Mr. Bird? Oh, you're stuck. I'll help you. No egg. I guess we're supposed to go in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that since I'm wandering around at night in the city. I think I've collected about 50 of these chairs and broken them down with my wrench at the base for the mechanical parts and the leather and everything. Hey, this looks strangely familiar. What the heck, man? You know, I've hit a couple of POIs on this map where they didn't have any loot. One of them, if you count it as loot, it was all spread out in boxes throughout the map, which is pretty cool. More realistic, you know, picking it up along the way in little bits and pieces instead of having it all piled up into a... There's Lady Cop. I heard somebody make a noise. I'd really like to get... Oh, I woke him up. You know what's interesting also is the last few times I've tried to stop reloading to switch weapons. Uh-oh. Lisa's infected. Radiated. Gross. Get away. I've got the rad remover and the spear, but I don't have one. I think that's the only one I've got. What do I have it in? No. I don't have any mods on my shotgun. No, thank you. And I wish the plants, I need to get that mod that when you pick up the plant you can, it looks the way it looks when you pick it up instead of going to that generic. I can make an AK quality 2. Okay, but now, okay, we're gonna go up. Up we go. There's the loot. I'll woke everybody up. There's a lot of everybody's. Hey, hey, get back, bird. Uh-oh. He is... What the hell? I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Where'd he go? Where'd that cop go? Oops. That was bad shooting. Oh, you know what? I'd like to make you mad, please. Oh, I'm just too close. Oopsies. I'm glad I didn't fall in that hole. Why is a soldier here? Nobody invited him. Check out my shotgun. Wow. My marksmanship skills just are not good today. I hope he's the last one. He is the last one. And he gave me a blue loot bag. What a nice guy. That was nice. Houston, we got a problem here. I need more space in my bags. I can make an electric fence. I'm probably gonna end up dumping a bunch of this stuff or making another trip to the car. Level 1 iron spear, which I will sell. I want the ammo. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. Not too good. Not too bad, not too good. Level 2 spear that I will sell. I don't want that rock. I do want the ammo for right now. 9mm ammo. I got a pipe submachine gun that fires 9mm rounds. It's alright if you don't have anything else. More gas is always nice. Alright, well I'm going to make another trip to the car to load all this stuff up. The bike, load all this stuff up. Thanks for clicking. I appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up for the algorithm. I would really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a really good day.